guys! If you wonder what we Asian chat about when we meet, this is the video for you. Today I'm gonna meet one of my friends from Malaysia, and she have moved down to the south of Sweden, and I will be meeting her at another friend's house. So I'm really excited because I haven't seen her for ages. So I'm getting ready now and off to go. We are meeting at Joy's place, which is just 10 minutes from my place, and I am super excited. As usual, Joyce is making us some lunch. Today she's making my favorite long bean vegetarian stir-fried. Did I tell you she's a vegetarian? Usually I find vegetarian food quite tasteless, but Joyce, she is really good in making all kinds of vegetarian dish. And she also made us some non-vegetarian dish too. Is braised chicken wing with mushrooms and daikon. Joyce is really fast in cooking. I couldn't even see how she made this dish. Anyway, it was so delicious. And this is another dish she invented using soya bean and eggs. Let me know if you are interested in the recipes. I can ask her. I feel so hungry looking at it, and now she is preparing the third dish. It feels so nice, when somebody is cooking for me. And so this is the third dish, long bean vegetarian cubes, and her favorite beans and vegetable soup. And Asian, we like to take pictures before we eat. Joyce is probably collecting this footage for her new YouTube channel, and I'm currently helping her with that. I'll keep you guys update on this. Her channel is about vegetarian food and good health, and you notice her niche is quite similar to mine. Okay, cannot tahan liao, have to eat. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast this morning. And of course, a few shots just before we eat. The lady to the right is Carrie. She's the Malaysian girl. Three of us are good clique, and we can talk anything under the sun. Usually we talk about health food, family issue, and love life. And of course, we also spoke about the problems that we face and give each other advice. And of course, those good times are often filled with laughter and joy. Sometimes we laugh so hard until our neighbor can hear us. And Joyce needs some help on social media, so we try our best to guide her. Even though she's quite forgetful, but I find that she is a fast learner. Joyce is currently trying this slimming pen. She told me to buy and try too, but I told her, you try first and then let me know if it works. If it works, I'll sure buy it. Told me many people lose weight wearing this pen. No need to exercise. Don't know how true is that. Well, she said she'll keep me informed in the future if there's any result. We only wish that the time could be slower and we could chat longer. Just before we go home, Joyce gave me this 包子. It's a bun filled with vegetarian vegetables and mushrooms, and the dough is made of black sesame seed. And she said this bun go really well with the soup too. Soup that she made for lunch. So we get to tapao, it means take away, doggy bag. She's so sweet, huh? April is the most unpredictable month. You see, yesterday was like summer and today is snowing. This is how my garden looked like when I get home. I was so tired, so I took a nap. By the time I woke up, it's still snowing outside. This may be the last snow, so I think I'm just gonna enjoy this. While I was sleeping, LG made some dinner. And of course, this guy, he only know how to flip burgers. But I think that is really sweet of him, to let me rest while he make food. It would be nice to go out for a walk after food. And since it is snowing outside, we decided to stay indoor and watch some TV program. If there's nice movie on Netflix, we watch that. Otherwise, we like to watch criminal or documentary at night. And Siri loves cozy time too. She can't wait for us to sit on the sofa and watch TV, so she could join us. Do you enjoy this video? If you do, please like, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.